Hello everyone. Today we'll guide you through the process of creating your avatar on the Duolingo app. Let's dive into it. To start, navigate to your profile by tapping on the icon located at the bottom of the screen. Once there, tap on the avatar icon to access your settings. Within the Settings menu, locate and select Change Avatar. This action will direct you to the avatar customization screen. Here you have the freedom to personalize your avatar to your liking. Begin by choosing the body size, followed by selecting your preferred skin color. Next, customize your avatar's facial features by selecting the face shape, eyes, nose, and mouth styles. You can also choose the hairstyle and color that best represents you. Additionally, if desired, you can accessorize your avatar with glasses by selecting the style and color. Further personalize your avatar by selecting clothing options, including style and color variations. Finally, you can select a background for your avatar to complete the customization process. Once you're satisfied with your avatar, simply tap on the checkmark icon to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully created your customized avatar on Duolingo. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel.